Hello, guys. Welcome in again. This time I have with me Dionísio Nunes from Jila. Hi, Dionísio.
Hi, hello. Oh, hi, could
Hello,
you hear
hello.
me?
I can hear you, Dionísio. So, Dionísio, you're the mind behind Jila.AI. Please, can you explain to our viewers what is Jila.AI and what problem is trying to solve and how?
Right. So you can think of Jila.AI as the Uber for water with an IoT spin to it for the African market in particular. What we do is we recognize that in Africa, a large number of people rely on water storages, so water reservoirs. The main reason for that is while you may have sort of water from the state, more often than not, the supply is never 24/7. So people store that water within a reservoir. And our key market in Angola, that problem is massively pronounced. What we do is we installed IoT devices. So we have our sensors for your tank, and this device stays outside. It takes measurement. We have an app that you install, and that app will send you an alert when your water level reaches certain levels. You choose which level, what threshold that means. We also send you a push notification if we notice an anomaly within your using part. For example, if somebody leaves a tap open, we will be able to detect it because it will look very different from what you would typically use. We go one step further, and that's the Uber part. We know that it's not enough to tell you don't have water. It's better to connect with the people who install it. And that's where the marketplace comes in. So we have water sellers and the water trucks that drive around looking for households that need water. We, via the app, allow you to connect with them so that they can provide you just the right amount of water you need in that moment at the right price at the place where it's convenient for you. So we try to shorten the time between no water to water.
Whoa, that's wonderful. So right now in you already your solution is already in the Angolan market.
Yes, so we have an advanced prototype where we have already 5 paying customers. We have an opportunity to run the pilot with one large company to install our sensors in all their shops in Angola. I cannot name the company uh, in this video, but we have that. One of the high-end hotels in the country is also willing to run a pilot with us. So by end of the year, we would have at least 10 pilots running simultaneously with customers from all sorts of segments.
Wonderful. And tell me, what opportunities have you already identified at Web Summits for expanding your solution?
Quite a lot. Many of them surprising. I learned, for example, that Brazil is a big market for this as well, but the problem is more or less the same. I learned that the same device we have could be used in Ireland, where they're not going to use it for measuring water levels. They use oil for heating the houses, and they store the oil in sort of storage containers, pretty much akin to the one we are trying we use for water. So that's one of the opportunities I see that would allow us to go way beyond just the water market in Africa. We realize that this could be a much, much bigger solution.
Okay, so you told me that you already have paying customers.
Yeah.
What has been the most valuable feedback from those customers using your platform and your solution?
The most common feedback was uh, the fact that many users change their habits. So we had one customer, for example, who told us that once he never runs out of water, and he usually went to the tank, and he knocked on the tank and hears the sound of it and decides the water. The moment he got the app, he just opened it. One day he decided by mistake to switch off the notification, and a week later he ran out of water. And what he realized was that he's become so reliant on the device as a way for him to never run out of water. But at the same time, this change of behavior let him go off guard. And so what that means for us is we have to make sure that we change the product in a way that we try never to be wrong, to always make sure that whenever we see changes in water pattern, We either let the users know that they should put the notification, either by SMS or email. Some way we need to communicate to them that they might miss important information. Because this customer was a little upset. As a startup, we like that. We have the view that if you like our product, tell others. You don't like it, tell us.
Okay. Listen, Dionisio, thank you so much for your time. I wish you the best to you and your startup, and thank you for sharing a little bit more about Jila.AI with our viewers. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.